What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here with Plenties.com. Welcome to another video. So I've gotten a lot of questions about side hustles, and you guys know that I'm very passionate about getting more side hustles and bringing in more income, and so you can pay off debt and do some other things that you really want to do. So people are asking me, I need a side hustle that I can do right now that would make me money immediately and that would not cost me an arm or leg to get started. I got you. So I have a list of my top 5 side hustles that you can start right now and make money. You might not do all 5, or you can do all 5. So you go in there, pick which one works best for you and go with it. At the end of the day, side hustles are not guaranteed. It's something, some of them require you to put in the work. It's not free. It's not like, hey, I'm just gonna flip the switch and I'm gonna start making money. I don't want that misconception. Once you go into side hustle, it's work. You have to put in the work to get the reward. It's just that simple. So when we talk about side hustle, I don't want you to go in with a mindset like, hey, I want to become a millionaire by just doing something on the side. That's possible, but it takes time to get to that point. So let's just get into the list. So the first one that I have for you guys is mystery shopping. So mystery shopping is something a lot of people don't even know about. Think about it for a minute. Companies pay you to go out as a spy and go to their businesses or go to different businesses and interact with their salespeople and as a customer. They want you to go undercover. So if, let's say for a restaurant, you go in and order food and interact with their servers in a particular way, they usually would give you a script because they are trying to get some sort of information to see how they can improve their business. So they'll pay you. You go in, order food, sit down, eat, interact with the server, and then come back and fill out a form, and then that's how you get paid. So that would be mystery shoppers that you go out to the store. There's others that you can just do it from your house. All you have to do is get on the phone and call businesses and interact with them, and at the end of the day, fill out a form and get paid. So that is a very simple way to make money. You go from like $10 to 15 to 20 to 30. One of the mystery shops that I did was going to a bowling alley, and that one paid me $65. So my food, my game, and everything was paid for, and I still came out with $35, which was pretty much awesome. So that's something, if you want to try, definitely give it a shot. There's a great video by Money Mom, Sensible Living with Money Mom. She actually has a video that will teach you how to become a mystery shopper, and so I'll link that video in the description below. So definitely go check it out. All right, number 2 is print on demand. Print on demand is like, hey, so take for instance this t-shirt. So you don't have all the equipment to do t-shirts, right? But yet you have some really good things that you design that you want to put in a t-shirt and sell it. So how do you go about it? Print on demand will help you do that. So companies like PrintAura, Customcat, Teespring, Amazon, they will help you with your print on demand. So all you have to do is create your design, go to this website, create an account, and upload your design, and it will do a mock-up on a shirt, what it's going to look like. And then you take that mock-up, you can either sell it directly to people, or you can put it at a store. So you can go to Shopify, which you can open a store there for 14 days free, and put it in and promote that on Facebook and see if people can buy it. So at that, to you, no cost. So you don't put any money down to get to that point. But then when you sell a shirt, those companies would take the money that they've spent, because what they do is they would print the t-shirt, ship them to your customer, and then you get your cut of the money. So if you sell a t-shirt for say $25, you might end up with $10. These print on demand companies will take $15 for providing the t-shirt, for providing the print, at the same time for filling that order. So it's a good way. You're not going to make a ton of money up front, but if you set large volumes that you make some money. So take for instance, there's a holiday coming up and you create a really good, awesome holiday t-shirt that people love. You might turn around and sell, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 500 pieces, and that's, you make some extra money doing that. And that's a good way to start. And then if you see like if it's really working, and then you can actually start your own store and now start working on how you can actually fulfill that yourself and put all that profit in your pocket. So definitely try print on demand. I'm gonna put a link to the different stores. So PrintAura, Customcat, Teespring, and Amazon. I'll put the links in the description below, so definitely go check it out. Number 3 is Rideshare. So Uber, Lyft. If you have a car, a clean car, nice looking car, and you're looking for some extra income, register to any of these sites and get your car inspected, and then turn on the app on your phone and hit the road. Again, you just don't go all in. So start, maybe take one day and test it and see if you like it, if it's something that you can do, and see if the money is good. I usually tell people from my experience in talking to other rideshare drivers, try maybe Friday, Saturday. Those are really busy days. Those are the days that people go out a lot. People tend to go to the bars and drink and need a ride. So try those days and see, because that's where you can gauge that, hey, this is profitable or not. Usually, from my experience, weekdays are really slow. Weekends are really, really good. Or when there is something, let's say in your city, if there's like a maybe a show or a game or whatever, those are days that you tend to make more money. And so definitely check those out. I'll put the link again to Uber and Lyft in the description below, so you can go out there and check them out. And number 4 on my list is Airbnb. If you have a good apartment, you have a good house, and you don't care about strangers coming into your house, definitely register on Airbnb and have your house out there, and while you're gone, your house could be making some money if you do travel. Or maybe if you're still in town, you can go sleep at a friend's place while your house makes some money for you. So yes, if you really feel comfortable about living strangers in your house, then that would be something to try. From my experience, usually young couples with no kids, maybe a single person, girl or guy with no kids, are usually really prime candidates that would put the house up for Airbnb. But no, for us, that's been very difficult because we have 2 kids, and to kind of like park the kids and move them out to to a different location while somebody uses a house is just not feasible. So that's why we don't do Airbnb. But I've seen people that do Airbnb, young couples that do Airbnb, and they totally love it, and they make some extra income doing that. So that's something that you want to check out. So again, if you feel comfortable with strangers, sleeping in your house and using your stuff, and that's for you. And finally, tutoring. So tutoring is really another easy way that you can make money without putting any money down. So there's 2 forms of tutoring here. There's offline tutoring, where you have the actual person sitting there with you physically, or there's online tutoring where you guys can conduct this over Skype, over Zoom, just over the internet. So over the internet involves, like, you can teach English to kids in foreign countries. I know Korea, China, Japan, Saudi Arabia. Gosh. And those countries are the ones that are paying a ton of money to have people, especially Americans, teach their kids English. You can do that online. So there's companies like VIPKID and Gogokid. You go to those websites, register, put your portfolio, or what you call your resume or your background, and then they'll hopefully people will find you, contact you, and ask you, interview you, and see if you can teach their kids English. And you can sign a contract with them, and sometimes it could be hourly based, or some would even be, hey, you can sign a whole contract where you can do 2, 3, 4 months of tutoring with one family. So it's really, really good if that's something that you want. These countries, these people want their kids to learn English, and they don't want it to learn it from any other person, but they want it from Americans for some reason, and they're willing to dish out the cash to do it. So jump on there. Again, is VIPKID and Gogokid. I'll put the links in the description below, so definitely go check them out. So I think we covered the list of my top 5 side hustles that you can start with no money down. So let me ask you guys this: if you tried any of these side hustles, if yes, what has been your experience? Do you plan on trying anything coming 2019? Do you want to improve your income? Are you looking for a way to make some extra money? Hey, let me know in the comment section. And as always, stay motivated.